Welcome to Ghani Fatty Digital, where future billionaires are built.
When you want to succeed, as bad as you want to breathe, then you'll be successful. If you can look up, you can get up. Some people want it to happen, some wish it would happen, others make it happen. You can get through this. You are bigger than your pain. Don't give up, don't give in. Don't make a habit out of choosing what feels good over what's actually good for you. Success, meaningful success, begins when we take ownership and actively take responsibility for our part in the shortcomings of our life. Maybe, just maybe, I was pointing the finger because it was easier to make excuses than it was to make adjustments. Desire and imagination have the potential to position a person for greatness. Information changes situations.